According to Kelley Blue Book, the average price of a new car in 2025 has climbed above $50,000, a steep increase for everyday buyers. Even affordable vehicles that used to fly off lots are now sitting unsold for months. Dealers are stuck with new cars that aren't moving, and inventory costs are stacking up fast. Today, we're breaking down 10 affordable cars with the highest market day supply, based on the latest CarEdge data. And number one? It's been sitting for over 300 days. Before we jump in, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future automotive market updates that could save you thousands. Number 10. 2025 Hyundai Accent. Hyundai's entry-level Accent is sitting at 165 days of inventory, averaging $21,800. On paper, it's solid, reliable, fuel-efficient, and practical. But buyers want more. Touchscreens, advanced safety features, and interior comfort, all areas where the Accent is behind. Even at a low price, cars need to impress today. Unfortunately, the Accent feels basic, and basic doesn't sell anymore. Number 9. 2025 Ford Fiesta. The Fiesta, priced at $22,500, has 175 days of inventory. Ford has been struggling to make compact cars exciting, and buyers are noticing. The Fiesta is small, light, and fun to drive, but tech and features lag behind. At this price, many buyers are asking, why not get a slightly larger EcoSport crossover instead? Practicality is winning over affordability in 2025. Number 8. 2025 Chevrolet Malibu. Chevy's midsize sedan is sitting with 180 days of supply, averaging $25,000. The Malibu is roomy and comfortable, but buyers are moving toward SUVs, even in the family segment. Competitors like the Toyota Corolla Cross or Honda Civic hatchback offer more utility, style, and fuel efficiency, making the Malibu feel like a safe but boring choice. Number 7. 2025 Nissan Sentra. Nissan's compact sedan has 185 days of inventory, with 3,600 units unsold. At $24,800, it's cheap for a family car, but buyers are picky. The Sentra is reliable, yes, but interior materials feel cheap, tech is limited, and styling is uninspired. The market for sedans is shrinking, and the Sentra is caught in that decline. Number 6. 2025 Honda Civic. Even a Honda Civic, priced at $27,500, is facing inventory issues, with 190 days on lots. Reliability is great. Fuel efficiency is excellent. But buyers want more. Crossover space, advanced tech, and SUV styling. Sedans are losing relevance, and even a popular model like the Civic is starting to feel the pinch. Number 5. 2025 Hyundai Elantra. Hyundai's compact sedan is sitting at 195 days of inventory, with 4,000 units unsold. At $26,900, it's affordable, stylish, and efficient. So why isn't it selling faster? The answer? Buyers are prioritizing small SUVs over sedans, leaving the Elantra competing with its own siblings like the Kona or Tucson. Number 4. 2025 Kia Forte. Kia's compact sedan has 200 days of inventory and 3,800 units unsold. At $25,800, it offers value, but buyers are moving toward crossover versatility. Sedans are no longer the default choice for first-time buyers or small families. Even with low price and features, Forte struggles against SUVs that feel more practical for today's lifestyles. Number 3. 2025 Toyota Corolla. Toyota's Corolla is sitting with 210 days of supply, with 5,000 units unsold. At $26,500, It's reliable and well-known. But buyers are deserting sedans en masse. Small crossovers like the Corolla Cross are cannibalizing sales, leaving traditional sedans on dealer lots longer than ever. Even Toyota's reputation isn't enough to overcome the shift toward taller, more versatile vehicles. Number 2, 2025 Ford Maverick pickup. The Maverick, priced at $28,500, was supposed to be a compact pickup success, but it's sitting with 225 days of inventory. Why? Entry-level trucks are appealing, but buyers now demand more: towing, payload, and features. The Maverick feels small, limiting, and even at an affordable price, buyers hesitate. Plus, competition from mid-size trucks like Toyota Tacoma and Hyundai Santa Cruz is fierce, leaving the Maverick stuck in limbo. Number 1, 2025 Nissan Kicks. And at number 1, the slowest-selling affordable car in America, the Nissan Kicks, sitting with market day supply of 310 days, almost a full year. At $23,900, it's a small crossover, supposedly perfect for urban buyers. The problem? Interior quality is weak, infotainment lags rivals, and fuel economy is decent but not outstanding. Buyers can get a Hyundai Kona, Kia Soul, or Honda HR-V with better styling, more features, and stronger resale value for similar money. The Kicks is a prime example. Low price alone isn't enough to sell a car in 2025. So there you have it, 10 affordable cars that dealers can't move in 2025. From entry-level sedans to small crossovers and compact pickups, this list shows that low prices don't guarantee fast sales. Reliability, styling, features, and consumer preference matter more than ever. Which of these affordable cars would you consider at a steep discount, and which are sitting on lots for good reason? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you found this breakdown valuable, hit like and subscribe for more automotive market insights. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.